Most people get this wrong. They assume Liberty Pay Card is just another prepaid or debit card. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's more like a financial management platform, combining early wage access, installment payment options, and spending tracking in one convenient tool. Here's how it works. Liberty Pay Card allows you to access earned wages before payday, usually within hours. You can also make purchases and split them into smaller, manageable payments over time. The card works anywhere debit or credit cards are accepted, making it versatile for daily spending. The app that accompanies Liberty Pay Card is clean and easy to use. You can track available funds, upcoming repayments, and spending patterns. Push notifications help prevent missed payments and fees, giving you more control over your finances. The downside, relying too heavily on Liberty Pay Card can get expensive. Fees and interest on delayed payments can accumulate quickly, so it's best treated as a short-term solution rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only use advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Monitor notifications to stay on top of repayment schedules. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the card. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need quick access to cash for one help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or per repayment habits may find costs outweigh benefits. In conclusion, Liberty Pay Card in 2026 is practical and flexible, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for more app reviews and financial tips to keep your money under control.